A truly immersive gaming experience awaits with the best gaming computer. While you could probably get by gaming on lesser machines, only the best ones can deliver buttery smooth performance and amazing graphical detail. That's whether you want 1080p or 1440p gaming, or have graduated to 4K. Only the best gaming computer will let you get the most out of the best gaming computer, even the most graphically intensive ones. Rocking the latest and greatest internals, such as the best processors and best graphics cards, they make issues like stuttering and latency a thing of the past. And, when coupled with the best gaming monitor, these PCs' performance will be the stuff of legends. Here are the best gaming PCs in 2021 so far, complete with our price comparison tool, so you can save a bit of money. Whether you want a maxed-out PC with an Intel Comet Lake or AMD Ryzen 5000 chip and an NVIDIA Turing or Big Navi inside, or only have enough money for one of the best budget gaming PCs, you'll find something here. In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best gaming computer available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints, as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches, and it has been listed based on the economy, features, and prices. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need best gaming computer, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Emithison present top 6 best gaming computer. Let's get started with the list of the best gaming computer. Number 1. Ibuypower Trace 49310 Gaming PC Computer Desktop. Features: AMD Ryzen 5 3600 3.6 GHz processor, AMD Radeon RX 5500 XT 4GB graphics, 8GB DDR4 RAM, 240GB SSD. Operating system Windows 10 Home. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. SkyTech Blaze 2 Gaming Compute. Features: processor Ryzen 5 2606 core 3.4 GHz, 3.9 GHz max boost. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1666GB. RAM: 8GB gaming memory DDR4 3000 with heat spreader. Hard drive: 500G SSD. Wi-Fi: 802.11 AC. GTX 16 series, the new supercharger. 3x RGB ring fans for maximum airflow. A 320M motherboard. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. Features: optimized for gaming at ultra-high game settings and high resolutions. 10th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics. Wireless 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. Gaming keyboard and RGB 7-color mouse combo. Intel B460 chipset. 8GB DDR4 RAM. 500GB PCIe NVMe SSD. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 4. NZXT H510 Elite Gaming PC. Features: Make the best use of space in your build. The new Smart Device V2 includes a faster microprocessor. 2 Air RGB fans keep your build cool and luminous. Cable routing kit and pre-installed channels make wiring easy. Clean, modern design with uninterrupted tempered glass. Motherboard support, Mini IDX, Micro ATX, and ATX. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 5. SkyTech Blaze Gaming Computer. Features: Intel Core i5-9400F Coffee Lake 6-core 2.9 GHz, 4.10 GHz turbo, CPU processor. 500G SSD. B365 motherboard. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1666GB GDDR5 video card. 8GB gaming memory DDR4 3000 with heat spreader. 4x 120mm RGB fans for maximum airflow. 1080p high to ultra resolution. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 6. Ibuypower Element Mr. 9320 Gaming PC Computer Desktop. Features: Intel i7-10700F 2.9 GHz processor. 16GB DDR4 RAM. 240GB SSD. Operating system Windows 10 Home 64-bit. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660T 6GB dedicated gaming video card. Check product link and price on video description below.